Lots of surveys have been done. 95% of heart attack has something to do with anger. Chinese ancestors, masters, through thousands of years of practice, discovered that different emotions have different effects to the organs and causing problems in the body in different ways.
Chunyi Lin explains that anger does not just stay in the mind. The moment we become angry, our entire body reacts. Our muscles tighten, our breathing becomes shallow. But when anger becomes frequent or lasts for days, weeks, or even years, the body remains trapped in a state of stress. Instead of healing itself, it spends its energy trying to defend itself.
Anger makes damage to the liver. Sadness makes damage to the lungs. And anxiety makes damage to the stomach and the spleen. And grief, sadness make damage to the lungs. And fears make damage to the kidneys, the vitality system. And hatred make damage to the heart. So you can choose any of these emotions to experience. That's totally your choice. But in order to heal yourself, to live a happy and joyful life, now, good news, you have a set of negative emotions. You also have a set of positive emotions too. This is the gift the universe gave to us. Happiness can balance the anger and heal your liver. And peacefulness can balance your anxiety to heal your stomach, your digestive system. And contentment can help you to produce the energy to balance your sadness, your grief, to heal your lungs, your breast. And gratitude can produce the right kind of vibration to balance your fears, to heal any problems in your reproductive organs and bone marrow challenges. And joy can bring you the real energy to heal any blockages in your heart.
In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is closely connected with the emotion of anger. When anger builds up, the liver's energy becomes blocked. This blockage can spread throughout the body, affecting digestion, sleep, circulation, and even the immune system. Over time, stagnant qi can contribute to headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, high blood pressure, digestive discomfort, and chronic pain. While emotions alone are not the only cause of illness, they can create conditions that make the body more vulnerable to disease.
What kind of blockages you have in your body, like migraine headaches, stomach ache, a tumor in somewhere, or a gallbladder stone. If you have any challenges like this, now you tell the Mother Earth and ask the Mother Earth to support you.
It fosters a sense of openness, reduces anxiety, and clears stagnant energy from the heart and lungs, important for both calmness and long life.
And now you feel that the Mother Earth energy is running around you and inside you. And you also feel at the same time the universal love is blessing you. So the yin and the yang energy is moving around you, loving you, blessing you, and healing you. Now you see the light in your lower dantian is becoming brighter and growing bigger and bigger and bigger. Then you see the Mother Earth energy coming up as a yellow light, blessing your spleen, your pancreas, and your stomach, and blessing your muscle. This yellow light is blessing all these organs and tissues and parts, because Mother Earth light is yellow light. And then you feel all the congestion in your muscles, in the joints, in your stomach, pancreas, and spleen. Now they all get transformed into beautiful yellow butterflies coming out of your body, going away back to the universe. And you feel your body is becoming lighter and lighter and lighter still. All the aches and pains, infections in the body now start going away as yellow butterflies. These are only extra energy in your body. You don't need it anymore. You just transform it into yellow butterflies going away back to the universe. Then you have this light to go deeper into your lungs, your large intestine. Now this yellow light changes into white light, blessing your lungs, opening up all the channels in your lungs, rib cage, and large intestine, feeling that you have more capacity in your lungs.
It builds foundational life force energy that supports longevity.
At this moment, in this white light, change into white butterflies going away back to the universe. You say goodbye to them. You say, dear butterflies, thank you so much for all these days and nights staying with me, helping me, guiding me back to the right track of my life. Now I am back in the right track. It is time for you to go back to the earth, go back to the nature, go back to the universe, to the places you really belong to. I bless you, and we all bless you. Now at this moment, you feel that thousands and thousands and millions of people all over the world meditating together with you, doing Qigong together with you. Then you all together co-create such a powerful Qi field around the world. And you allow everyone who is participating in this meditation and celebration receive this abundance and blessings from the universe, from the Qi field, and from you. And at the same time, you are receiving all this abundance, blessing you, transforming all the unnecessary forms of energy in your body, causing challenges in your life, transforming them into butterflies going away back to the universe. And now you see your whole bodies are opening up. Channels are opening, the livers and hearts, spines and brain, hands and fingers and legs and toes. All the blockages now get transformed into beautiful butterflies of all colors: green, yellow, black, red. They're all flying away. Now you feel that your body is becoming lighter and lighter and lighter.
This visualization promotes cellular rejuvenation and youthful energy.
And you feel that the youth energy is coming back to your bones and bone marrow, to your legs, to your spine, to your entire body, and you feel you are young again. And then you send this energy to the world, to all the people you love, your family. You enveloped all the people you love in this light, in this golden light. In this golden light, you feel they are very, 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 very much protected, and healing is taking place in every one of them. In this light, now you call upon your Master's energy, Buddha's energy, Jesus' energy, Muhammad's energy.
This balance harmonizes yin and yang energy, bringing emotional stability and clarity of mind.
In your belief system, seeing all these masters coming from the universe, blessing you, blessing the world, blessing the earth, healing the world. As you know, the world is in the process of a big transformation. Lots of challenges are happening. With all this support, with the unconditional love in your heart, definitely, absolutely, we all have the power to transform this negative energy, purify this energy, and make it into something healing and enlightening. Feeling how good you feel, how wonderful you feel. Now, because of your love to yourself, to your family, and to the world, you feel your energy is more purified. Scan your body from head to toe that every cell of your body has been nurtured. Feel how good you feel, how wonderful you feel. And by focus on the light in your lower dantian, and you say thank you to your masters, to the divine, to the universe for all their support. Tell them you feel their love and you will always connect to their love. And with the guidance of your masters and the universe and the divine, absolutely, you are going to have a fabulous life, and your life will be very well protected, and your life, so that the life of your family and the life of all the beings in the world.
It creates a reservoir of vitality in the body, enhancing resilience and supporting long-term health.
Now we are coming to the end of the meditation. Bring your focus down to your lower dantian, seeing this light as an energy ball spinning, 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 getting brighter, smaller. Then it becomes an energy pill, and you tuck it deep in behind the navel. And take 3 gentle deep breaths. While you're taking a deep breath, you see you are in the oneness. You feel that you have made such a huge contribution to the peace of the world.